2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, navigation system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.